The notion that fear and excitement are two sides of the same emotional coin has some grounding in psychological and neuroscience. Now, this idea stems from the concept of arousal, which is a physiological and psychological state of readiness, varying from deep sleep to intense excitement. Let's pull this apart and see what this is all about. But also remember to subscribe here to my channel and also grab your copy of Metaphysical Anatomy, which is a big book of volume 1, and it's of 722 medical ailments and suppressed emotions behind them at evettebooks.com. And also check out my latest healing events that are coming up. Now let's explore this from a psychological standpoint. Both fear and excitement involve heightened state of arousal. Now, in both cases, the body's sympathetic nervous system activates, leading to increased heart rate, faster breathing, and heightened senses. Now, psychologically, this arousal can manifest as a feeling of anticipation or readiness for action. Whether we interpret this arousal as fear or excitement can depend on contextual cues and individual interpretation. So, what does neuroscience have to say about this? So, neuroscientifically, fear and excitement share some common neural pathways. Both emotions involve the amygdala, an almond shaped structure in the brain that plays a crucial role in processing emotions, particularly here, fear responses. When faced with a potentially threatening or exhilarating situation, the amygdala sends signals to other brain regions, such as the hypothalamus and also the brainstem, triggering the physiological changes associated with arousal. Now, these changes, they prepare the body for action, whether it's fight, flight, or freeze in response to fear, or engagement and exploration in response to excitement. So we tend to label this, and I mean everything words, descriptions, and so forth. I mean, looking up at the sky and calling it a sky is labeling, as an example. The same applies here. The distinction between fear and excitement often actually lies in how we interpret the arousal. If we perceive a situation as threatening, we are more likely to label our arousal as fear. Conversely, if we perceive the situation as rewarding or challenging in a positive way, we're more likely to interpret the arousal as excitement. Now, this interpretation can be influenced by various factors, including past experiences, cultural norms, and individual differences in temperament. Now, there are also some researchers who propose a dual valence model of arousal, suggesting that arousal itself is a neutral state that can be interpreted as either positive or negative, depending on the context. Now, in this model, fear and excitement are seen as two different interpretations of the same underlying physiological arousal. For example, the rapid heartbeat and the sweaty palms experienced before giving a speech could be interpreted as fear or excitement, depending on whether one views public speaking as a threat or an opportunity. So, while fear and excitement might actually have different cognitive interpretations and behavioral responses, they both involve similar psychological arousal patterns and share some common neural circuitry. Suggests that the distinction between these emotions is not always clear cut and can be influenced by various factors, highlighting the complex nature of human emotions. So there you have it. And now also remember to comment below, let us know what your thoughts are, and you can also book your free discovery call with me. Go to metaphysicalanatomy.com, watch our welcome webinar, and the instructions to book is in there. And remember to subscribe and also get your copy of Metaphysical Anatomy Volume 1, a big book of 722 medical elements and the suppressed emotions behind them at evettebooks.com. Thanks for watching.